beautiful souls. Are you feeling burnt out, exhausted, and overwhelmed? Have you lost your sense of passion, childlike wonder, and inner joy? Is your creative battery depleted? Perhaps you're in need of a recharge, like a full glass of soul-nourishing refreshment? If so, you found the perfect creative charging station. Hi, I'm Celeste, your host, a multi-passionate pianist, music instructor, and dancer through life's rhythms, deeply in love with all things soulful, meaningful, and creative. With a doctoral degree in piano performance, 2 decades of teaching experience, and a young mother of 2, I've journeyed through the highs and lows of education, career, parenting, and creative endeavors. Along the way, I've definitely burned myself out several times and lost my energetic and creative balance. So, I hear you, I feel you, I understand. You're not alone, I'm with you. I'm here to share invaluable insights gathered from my experiences, help us reignite creative passion, awaken our artistic spirits, inspire joyful expansion, and stir the poetic hearts that live within us all. Together, we'll dive into the magic of creativity, from music, books, performing art, literature, poetry, travel, and more, to rekindle that inner spark, nourish our souls, and harmonize our masculine and feminine energies. Through this safe and joyful space, you might just see the world with fresh eyes, feel more alive, fulfilled, and flowing with creativity once more. All this soul-nourishing goodness is coming soon, so stay tuned.